In this video, we will talk about the latest My Defi Pet updates, the current roadmap, and what is new inside the game. What you can probably do while it is still in beta phase. So let's just jump right into it. So as of now, the current My DeFi pet gameplay as of now is, of course, you can breed. No, not breeding. You can feed. You can plant and get some food, which you can turn to feed. You can earn silver. You can earn gems by leveling up, of course. And you can also put the newly purchased pets inside My DeFi Pet. However, for the breeding function, it is still not available yet. However, I think it will come in the next few days or few weeks to come, given that it is in the launching part. So we will go into this one right here. As you can see here, the launching is around May 14, and in the alpha version, it says there's a breeding, there's a feeding, there's a world map, a marketplace trading tutorial, and pet evolution. So probably this month we will probably have an option to breed. So if we do have a lot of pets right here that is already level 10 that you can probably evolve, then when that happens, you can just breed them, and then just hope that you will get a really great pet. So the PvP will come this July. So this is the current roadmap. I just recently pulled this one out into Google. So according to the Telegram group as well, this is still the official roadmap. So the battle PvP will come in July. So probably by July we will actually uh, be earning. Okay, we will know how you can earn money inside My DeFi Pet. So there will also be a raid boss part. So I predict that raid boss is more like a team play type of game. So more like a lot of people will contribute into this raid boss part, and of course they will get a reward. And the social guild friends will come in August, which of course I think that will be like some kind of clan, which you will be formed into groups as well. So currently, My DeFi Pet is the gathering magic will come in the next 9 days. And the really best advice that I really have for you guys today is, of course, you should buy pets while it is still cheap, because if you will go into check it into its current price, I think it is pretty much cheaper than before, because I don't know, for some reasons. So the price is around 0.5, and it is pretty much good time to buy. I recently bought my pet at this part right here. It's in $1. So probably you've saved around 50% if you buy your pet this time. Okay? So I'm really bullish on this project. Um there's a lot of space, of course, to put my farms right here. So the gems as well is not. I think the gems right now is still just used for speeding up the resources part. However, when the other features come out, probably gem function will pretty much more relevant this time. So I think this one is the marketplace, and then there is a PvP right here. However, I think we can expect in the next 5 to 10 days that we will uh, just level up our pets. We can't still breed and something like that. So that is just the quick update, guys. So just be patient. I think the team is doing really good nowadays, knowing that there's a really a lot of players playing this one. And I think they just recently reach 90,000 pets. So if you will see here, okay, my pet is around 75. I just bought it like 2 years, no, not 2 years, 2 days ago, and now I think there's more than 90 to 95,000 pets being sold. So the advantage that I do have here is, of course, when um, I started playing this game pretty much earlier than others. So I've bought this pet and I do have a wing, and of course, having this kind of wing is pretty much rare because this won't appear at, I think, again in the future. So this is some kind of rarity. So that is it for this video, guys. That's just a small quick update, and for more videos and play to earn, please do subscribe into my channel. That is Crypto Addict here, and see you on the next video.